Greetings, this is Karmen from FuturePrint in Regina, Saskatchewan. We are full-service printers with a long history of customer service excellence. Enjoy our latest video in our Karmen's Corner video series on everything printing. Today we're talking about one of my favorite machines, and this is the folding machine. Why do you need to fold things? Basically, to fit a large item into a small area. This particular one runs about 20,000 sheets per hour. That's a stack of paper about this high from the floor, and we could fold that in 1 hour. How a folder works here we can see on this diagram. The paper goes into what's called a buckle plate. It goes in halfway if you're folding it in half. It stops. Another series of rollers puts it in half, and then another roller squishes it and it shoots out. That's a very simple, quick way how folding works. There's all kinds of different types of folds, and I'll just demonstrate some of the common ones. This is a single fold. Basically, you could think an 8.5/11 piece of paper folded in half. That's a single fold. Most common one is a letter fold. This is a piece of paper, in this case 8.5/11, where it's folded one in and then the second one for a panel, for a brochure. Most common fold. Next one is a Z fold. Same sizes, same paper, however, it's in a Z shape, like this. Just a different purpose. Sometimes you want the printing to show out, so that's how you would do it. This one is an accordion fold because it's similar to a Z fold, except it's 4 panels, and it can be many more, of course. Next one is the same size, however, completely different fold. It's called a double parallel. And how this one works is it actually folds in half, then in half again. And again, used on brochures and very nice for folding. It's called a double parallel. We change things up a little bit now. We're going to go to a right angle fold. Our machine takes the paper in one direction, it folds it in half, like this, then it takes it and spins it, takes it in the other direction and folds it in half the other way. That's called a right angle because it turns at a right angle. That's a regular 2-fold. This one is similar, except now we got a right angle 3-fold. We take a 11/17, this is used for 11/17 newsletters, for example, that fit into a regular envelope. We fold the sheet in half first of all to 8.5/11, then we turn it and letter fold it like this, and that is a right angle 3-fold. Next one is a roll fold. Same as the other sizes we were looking at, except it rolls. It goes one panel in, then the next panel in, then the next panel in. It folds it to a nice size and easy to distribute or put on a brochure rack or anything. The last one I'm going to show you is kind of a neat one. It's called the gate fold because it opens up like a little gate in the center. It requires special equipment for this one, and it's real fun for having a picture, for example, where you might have 2 doors or a lock or something that goes over both panels. It opens up like a gate, and that's called a gatefold. This particular machine we have also bundles. It stops at 50s or 100s or whatever we set it at. We can put an elastic around at bundles for Canada Post. They do require elastics both directions for mailing. We have a tip today. Design the inside panel of a brochure slightly smaller to make a clean fold when it is put together. We have a template that you can ask for so you can design the exact sizes for the different folds. What we see on almost a daily basis is the same size for each of the 3 panels, and that doesn't work out. The one has to be smaller and the other one a little bit bigger, so it works out perfectly. Ask us for that template, we'd be happy to email it to you. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions about this or any of our videos, contact us today. Or if you'd like to discuss your printing needs, we'd love to hear from you. Find our details online at futureprint.ca.